Okay, so the new ChatGPT Tasks is now live. So we're going to have a look at that. So you can now get it to remind you of tasks at a certain time or date in the future. So if you could ask it to remind you to take the bins out on a Monday morning, glamorous things like that. You could even get it to send you a digest of the news at certain, if you like to see a digest of the news kind of in the evening, in the morning. Lots of things that you can think of require a time or a date that you want to be reminded of. It can now do that. So we're going to have a look at that. So if you go up to ChatGPT with scheduled tasks, I'm going to ask it to send me a cheesy motivational quote every morning at 5 a.m. Let's see what happens. Spelled cheesy, right? That would be good. Every morning at 5 a.m. UK time. Let's see what happens. So we've sent that. It's creating the task. So it now has this task, send motivational quote daily at 5 a.m. Let's have a look how this works. So we can edit the task, or we can view the tasks. So I'm guessing whatever tasks you set, they'll be sat here. We can pause the task, delete the task. We can edit the task. So I could change it to daily, weekly, monthly, annually, change the time. So this could be interesting. So does this make task apps and tools redundant? Will you be using it? Can you see a use for this for yourself? I'm going to use it for a bit and see how I get on. First of all, I'm going to look forward to my cheesy motivational comment at 5 a.m. every morning. Let me know how you get on with it.